Assalamu alaikum. Respected parents and dear students, I hope you are all in the best condition of faith and health. My name is Adila Sultan. I am from Dariyarkam Sayyidina Bilal campus, Pasroor. So students, today I will guide you about the summer vacation task subject English class 5. Let's start. On book page number 2 we have be a good reader activity. Here we have asking several correct questions. Just like that, here you can read one of them from these fictions and non-fiction, and all. After that you will solve it according to your novel. On book page number 3 we have the character analysis. जो भी आप रीडिंग करेंगे उनमें से आपने मेन कैरेक्टर्स, योर फेवरेट कैरेक्टर्स, व्हाई यू लाइक इट, व्हाट चैलेंजेस और प्रॉब्लम्स योर कैरेक्टर फेसेस, राइट टू ट्रेट्स ऑफ द कैरेक्टर दैट मेक्स हिम और योर फेवरेट. ट्रेट्स में खसूसियात आपने अपने जब नावल रीड करना है इनमें से कोई भी, तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग आपने इसको सॉल्व कर लेना है. दिस इज़ अप टू यू. आफ्टर दैट वी हैव रिव्यू शीट नंबर 1. Here you can write your unit number 1's question answer after learn, and also make sure that your writing should be neat. Here I have also written as a sample the message of forgiveness, workbook page number 4, and here is the first question and the answer. After that I put the separator line, and just like that you will solve your book page number 4 and 5. On book page number 6 we have write 4 difficult words from the lesson, write their meanings and use them sentences your own. You can take help from workbook page number 2. Here I have written the word numerous. The meaning of numerous is great in number, and the sentence I have written here, I saw her on numerous occasions. So you can write any four from them, and writing should be very neat. Same as on book page number 2, title of the poem is Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening. You first of all learn from workbook page number 6 to 8, and your guiders or your tutors and your parents will write the questions, and you will write the meanings as well. You can take it as your practice sheets of the poem. Same on book page number 8, यानी कि 7 और 8 के ऊपर आपने स्टॉपिंग बाय वर्ड्स ऑन अ स्नोई इवनिंग की क्वेश्चन आंसर की प्रैक्टिस करनी है. प्रॉपर क्वेश्चन लिख के और उसके आंसर लिखने हैं. उसी तरह workbook page number 9 we have the theme of the poem. You can take help from workbook page number 6 and the summary of the poem. You have already read it on your notebooks, so read it or learn it, and after that you will write here on book page number 9. After that we have book page number 10. Here is also I have written as sample the meaning. Cure, word is cure, beyond, from, usual or strange. जो चीज़ अनोखी हो, something like that is not usual. So I have written here the sentence, she wears cure little caps. You can write your own sentences because they have written already. Write 4 difficult words from the poem, write their meanings and use them in sentences of your own. It is also the same book page number 11. We have review sheet number 3. There we will write Robinson Crusoe, that is our second lesson. Workbook page number 11 to 13 you can find the question answers, and you will write here just like that. I have written as a sample for you on book page number 12 as well. There is also the book page number 13, and here I have written a sample. You can take help from workbook page number 9. Just like the word is voyage, the meaning of voyage is a long journey, especially by sea. And the sentence is the voyage was full of danger and adventure. After that we have comprehensions. You will read it by yourself. It's about the characteristics of different animals. You will read it by yourself and then solve. Book page number 16. Here I have given you a sample. So dear student, on book page number 17 we have the answers of the comprehension. Have a look on it. Just I have written for you. Here is a comparison between pigeons and elephant alike in the way that they use hearing. So it is used as a sample. Have a look on it. They both can hear low sounds. Both animals use their excellent hearing to detect the low sounds that travel far, helping them communicate or find their way. Here is also asked grammatically questions just like that. What is the common noun, proper noun, abstract noun or collective noun? These kinds of nouns you have already read in your class. Danger is abstract noun. Herd is collective noun. Sadia is the name, so it is a proper noun. On book page number 18 we have introductions. Hello, ouch, oh, you can use it here. And after that we have to fill in the blanks about conjunctions, and here are also given the options for you can use but, or, and, so. Here underline the pronouns. These are all part of comprehension 1. Okay, after that they have said you, okay, take 2 sentences of your own by choosing any 2 conjunctions from passage about animals and sounds. So I have written in hand and because. I have black and curly hair. She is happy because she won a prize. So this is a comprehension that you have to solve it.